Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today we are gonna crochet this cool stitch. I saw it on Pinterest a million times, saw the diagram, decided to add it to my collection and share it with you. I hope you are going to enjoy this tutorial. We are going to be using only chains and double crochets. Double crochet 7 together. It's not difficult, not a big deal. If you need to slow down the video, there is a toggle here in the corner. Adjust the playback speed for me to go a little slower, but it's not complicated and I highly suggest that you try this stitch. It's really cool. I really like it and I'm definitely gonna use it in a future project. So this is the wrong side, but it looks like this is supposed to be the right side of the stitch because we have the texture going on. This is how the other side looks like. It looks neat too, but I think the waves are not as pronounced as on this side. And you can try it with a solid color, you can try it with a self-striping yarn or with different colors if you want to change every row. Yeah, I think it's gonna look super nice. If you are ready to learn how to crochet this super cool stitch, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, ring the bell, grab your yarn, crochet hook. Let's get to work. For this project, I use this yarn. It's a number 3 light, if I'm not mistaken, and a 4mm hook, but you use whatever yarn you have with whatever crochet hook size it requires, so you can see, and I make a small sample, so you can see how the project would look with the yarn that you are using, with the crochet hook size that you are using. This stitch will work with any fiber, and I think number 4 yarn is probably the thickest I will go. I wouldn't go with any bulky or super bulky. It's just not gonna look nice, but give it a try if you want to. But I think anything from crochet thread up to number 4 should work nicely. The multiples for this project is 8, so I have 24, and at the end you will add 3 more chains. So multiples of 8, whatever number you want, plus 3, put a double crochet into the 6th chain from the hook. And right here you will have the skip 1, the chain 3 is double crochet, and chain 1. So double crochet, chain 1, skip 1, and double crochet. And this is how we are gonna go all the way till the end. Chain 1, skip 1, double crochet into the next, chain 1, skip 1, double crochet into the next, all the way till the end. There we go. Turn the work. Chain 3 counts as a double crochet, and we'll add 3 more double crochets into this first stitch. 1, 2, 3. So we have a total of 4. All right, so now the next 7 will work them together. Yarn over, go into the chain 1 space, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, go into the double crochet, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, go into the chain 1 space, pull up a loop, pull through 2, yarn over into the double crochet, same thing. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4. We need to have 7. Yarn over into the next, yarn over and into the next. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and into the chain 1 space. 7. So you have your loop right here and 7 unfinished double crochets. So yarn over and you're gonna pull all the way through all the loops like so. Then next into the double crochet we'll work 7 double crochets. So 1,
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Now you can see the wave. So you gathered these together, but you kind of compensated by adding 7. And this is how it's gonna go. So now we're utilizing each stitch. Yarn over into the chain 1 space. That's our first unfinished. Into the double crochet, second unfinished, chain 1 space, third, double crochet, fourth, chain 1 space, fifth, double crochet, sixth, chain 1 space, seventh. Yarn over, pull through all the loops. Now yarn over, go into the double crochet and put 7 double crochets in it. 1,
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
ta-da! Yarn over, chain 1 space, 1, double crochet, 2, chain 1 space, 3, double crochet, 4, chain 1 space, 5, double crochet, 6, chain 1 space, 7. Yarn over, pull through all the loops. And here we're skipping the chain 1. Into the next stitch we will put 4 double crochets. 1, 2, 3, and 4. I think it looks pretty neat. If you are going to be changing colors, I think now is the time when you need to change the color. Or you can make the double crochets, the base row with one color and the waves with another color, and alternate every row. All right, we're going to turn. We're going to chain 4. The chain 3 will count as a double crochet plus chain 1. Skip the next, double crochet into the next, chain 1, skip the next, double crochet into the next, skip the chain 1, skip the next, double crochet into the next, and you're going to carry on throughout the entire row. Chain 1, skip 1, double crochet into the next, chain 1, skip 1, double crochet into the next, and finishing off the row, chain 1, skip 1, and double crochet into the third chain from the beginning of the previous row. So now if you did everything correctly, see your double crochets are aligned. Like you can see they're right one on top of the other, and they're perfectly aligned. So it means that you are doing everything correct. So now when we're going to turn the row, we'll basically do the same. So chain 3 counts as a double crochet, and add 3 more double crochets into the same stitch for the total of 4. Assemble the next 7, yarn over into the space 1, into the double crochet 2, into the space 3, into the double crochet 4, to the space 5, into the double crochet 6, into the space 7. Yarn over, pull through all the loops. Now yarn over, go into the double crochet. Since we worked this chain 1 space, you already know that you need to work into the double crochet, and we're going to add 7 double crochets in it. 2,
3, 4, 5, 6, and 7.
Yarn over, we're utilizing the next chain 1 space. 1 to the double crochet, 2 into the chain 1 space, 3 double crochet, 4 chain 1 space 5, double crochet 6, chain 1 space 7, yarn over through all, and move into the double crochet and put 7 double crochets in it. 1,
2, 3, 4, 5, 6,
7. Look how cool it looks like. I really like it. All right, now we're gonna gather the next 7 together.
Into the chain 1 space, into the double crochet, to the chain 1 space, into the double crochet. So we have what, 4, chain 1 space 5, double crochet 6, chain 1 space 7.
Yarn over, pull through all, and 1, 2, 3 into the third chain. We're going to put 4 double crochets. We started with 4 and we are finishing the row with 4. And look how awesome it looks. I'm actually digging this stitch. I think I'm gonna make something using this stitch. From now on, you are repeating the same steps. Chain 4, the chain 3 counts as a double crochet, plus chain 1, skip 1, double crochet into the next, chain 1, skip 1, double crochet into the next, and so on until you reach the end of the row. And it's this row works up really fast. It's the other row. All right, here again, don't forget to put a double crochet into the third chain from the beginning. And there's what we have. In here, I finished it off camera. This is how it looks like. So I would think that this is the right side since we got the texture. But it also can be on this side if you want less texture. Yeah, but it looks really good either way. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Give it a thumbs up, subscribe, ring the bell, and try it out and see how you like it. And feel free to share your pictures with me on Facebook in the comment section when you tried it with different colors or with a solid color. I mean, looks good anyway. I'm gonna let you go. Enjoy your weekend. Take care and see you next time. Bye.